In this video, we'll go through 20 hand-picked multiple-choice questions from the FCP, FortiManager 7.4 Administrator Exam. Each question includes a clear explanation to help you master the concepts. For full-length practice tests and more exam resources, visit passforfuture.com. Let's jump right in. Which FortiManager feature allows administrators to manage device configurations using a hierarchical model? A. ADOMs. B. System templates. C. Policy blocks. Correct answer is A. ADOMs, because ADOMs, administrative domains, provide a way to manage configurations hierarchically across different domains. Let's try this one next. What does the ADOM feature in FortiManager primarily help with? A. Improve security profiles. B. Support multi-tenancy. C. Manage admin access. Correct answer is B. Support multi-tenancy, because ADOMs allow separation of configuration and devices by business unit or location, supporting multi-tenancy. Let's try this one next. Which tool allows FortiManager to perform policy consistency checks? A. Policy verifier. B. Script runner. C. Policy checker. Correct answer is A. Policy verifier, because policy verifier ensures all firewall policies are logically correct and consistent. Let's try this one next. What is the purpose of the revision history in FortiManager? A. Save bandwidth. B. Track config changes. C. Improve UI. Correct answer is B. Track config changes, because revision history helps track and roll back configuration changes when needed. Let's try this one next. Which protocol is used by FortiManager to communicate with managed FortiGate devices? A. SSH. B. FGFM. C. IPsec. Correct answer is B. FGFM, because FGFM, FortiGate Management Protocol, is used for secure communication between FortiManager and FortiGates. Let's try this one next. In FortiManager, what does the policy package represent? A. A group of objects. B. Complete rule set. C. VPN settings. Correct answer is B. Complete rule set, because policy package contains all the rules and objects needed to push a complete set of configurations. Let's try this one next. Which feature allows FortiManager to push identical policies to multiple FortiGates efficiently? A. Global ADOM. B. Policy blocks. C. Device ADOM. Correct answer is A. Global ADOM, because global ADOM allows reuse of policy packages and objects across multiple ADOMs efficiently. Let's try this one next. Let's try. How does FortiManager handle object conflicts across ADOMs? A. Keep separate copies. B. Overwrites automatically. C. Merges by default. Correct answer is A. Keep separate copies, because FortiManager keeps separate object copies per ADOM to avoid accidental overrides. Let's try this one next. What is the role of the FortiGuard service in FortiManager? A. Distribute updates. B. Manage licenses. C. Generate reports. Correct answer is A. Distribute updates, because FortiGuard updates threat intelligence and signatures used by managed devices. Let's try this one next. Which type of script is supported for automation in FortiManager? A. Bash. B. CLI. C. Python. Correct answer is C. Python, because FortiManager supports Python scripts for automation and bulk operations. Let's try this one next. Which dashboard provides real-time status of all managed devices in FortiManager? A. Device Manager. B. Policy and Objects. C. Log Viewer. Correct answer is A. Device Manager, because Device Manager shows real-time device health, status, and connectivity info. Let's try this one next. How can an administrator revert to a previous configuration in FortiManager? A. Using backups. B. Restore snapshots. C. Use ADOM logs. Correct answer is B. Restore snapshots, because snapshot-based rollback helps restore prior working configurations easily. Let's try this one next. What does a green checkmark next to a device in FortiManager signify? A. Device is offline. B. Device is syncing. C. Device is authorized. Correct answer is C. Device is authorized, because green checkmark means the device is managed and synced successfully. Let's try this one next. Which option enables viewing of policy differences before deployment? A. Policy lookup. B. Policy diff. C. Revision control. Correct answer is B. Policy diff, because policy diff shows differences in policies before pushing updates. Let's try this one next. How are administrators authenticated in FortiManager by default? A. LDAP B. FortiToken. C. Radius. Correct answer is A. LDAP, because LDAP is the default method used for admin authentication in enterprise setups. Let's try this one next. What is the function of the FortiManager system settings pane? A. Manage objects. B. Configure admin users. C. Backup logs. Correct answer is B. Configure admin users, because this pane is used to configure admin access, backup settings, and network settings. Let's try this one next. How can FortiManager ensure only authorized devices are added for management? A. Device certificate. B. SNMP profile. C. Serial number. Correct answer is A. Device certificate, because device certificate validation ensures only trusted FortiGates are managed. Let's try this one next. Which option best describes the device manager's role? A. Monitor traffic. B. Configure routes. C. Add static routes. Correct answer is B. Configure routes, because device manager allows device addition, configuration, and monitoring. Let's try this one next. In FortiManager, what is the impact of enabling workspace mode? A. Enables real-time sync. B. Enables workflow control. C. Disables real-time edit. Correct answer is B. Enables workflow control, because workspace mode enforces a structured review and approval workflow before changes. Let's try this one next. Which log type does FortiManager primarily store for compliance auditing? A. Security logs. B. Change logs. C. Event logs. Correct answer is C. Event logs, because event logs provide detailed insights for compliance and security investigations. That's the end of this MCQ session for FortiManager 7.4. If you found it useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. To access complete practice tests and more, visit pass4future.com. Thanks for watching.